friends, I'm here with cream cheese. Let's learn how to make it. The ingredients are 2-liter milk, 8 tablespoons vinegar, 25-gram butter, 1 teaspoon salt. Boil the milk. Add vinegar. Pour the formed piece of cheese into the cloth for about 5 minutes so that to absorb the water.
Five minutes later.
Pour cheese into a mixer. Add salt, butter, and half a glass of milk. Stir until the ingredients combine well and they are smooth. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.